is it?
I can't put my arms out!
Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot, and we are 2 days after the storm. That night, we ended up getting about 3 or 4 more inches, so that would have been yesterday, and you can see we have what's left on the ground here. I didn't plow it last night because honestly, I don't know how much night plowing you can really see, and my son's out here. I don't know if you can see him. He's gonna help me today. We're gonna clean up this driveway, and you say, you know, it's only 3 or 4 inches. Why are you even bothering with it? Well, it's because we drag all of this snow into our vehicles, you know, when we walk out, off of our boots into our vehicles, and it makes quite a mess in our vehicle. So we're gonna clean this up. I'm sure it's gonna melt in about 3 days, but hey, we're making content. The idea is we're gonna test the snowblower today. Again, I still don't have the couplers. They're supposed to be here tomorrow, but we're going to use the snow pusher, push it all into a big pile, and then hit it with the snowblower and see what that looks like. Tell you what, this is not super easy. Trying to hold the kid in one hand, steer with the other, trying to run the bucket at the same time. It's definitely tricky. So we're gonna put all this stuff in a nice neat line and then hit it with the snowblower and put it right in the lawn. right, that's a nice little line, so get the snowblower fired up and see what happens. I need to figure something out with the skid shoes on this snowblower because, as you can see, it's tearing the heck out of my driveway. Maybe I put wheels on it or something? That might be the move. Putting wheels on a snowblower. That'll allow it to roll and not just dig in and push. That's an idea. So yeah, not a crazy amount of snow, but the driveway is now cleaned and we won't be dragging it into our vehicles on our boots, which is always a good thing. Because then you get water in your floor mats, it's always a mess. Snowblower, again, proves to work. The quick couplers should be here tomorrow, which is going to be huge. We'll get that hooked up. I'm sure you'll see that in a video. And I think we need to do something about those skids. I showed you earlier, we need to figure something out because these skids are just digging into my driveway and making a mess. That would all change if everything was frozen, but it's not frozen, and this isn't going to be the last time that we do this when the ground isn't frozen. This snow is going to melt, there's no doubt about that, so we need to figure out a solution. Wheels would work well, I think. You know, these skids are only 3-inch wide. There's nothing saying that I can't get 3-inch wide wheels. What's wrong, buddy? Do you not want your ear protection on anymore? There you go. I guess I could take mine off too. All right, now I can hear. Like I was saying, nothing says you can't put 3-inch wheels on here. If the skids are only 3-inch, it'll have just about the same amount of ground contact, except the wheels will roll. So that's a good thing. We won't dig them up. So I'm gonna look for wheels. We're gonna have to do some fabricating to make those wheels work on this thing. But hey, I got the shop. It'll be a video. We'll get the hydraulic couplers in. We'll make the wheels for it. And I think this thing will be about 100% at that point. So make sure you're subscribed. Yeah, winter's here. We're gonna have some snow content. As long as it snows, I'll make videos clearing snow. It seems like you guys seem to like those. So again, like, subscribe, all that jazz. I appreciate every single one of you. Oh, and if you've made it this far, giveaway. I'm gonna do a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be some Everything Elliott swag. I'm gonna do a shirt, a long sleeve shirt, and a hoodie. Or if you live in a warm climate where you don't want long sleeve or a hoodie, I'll send you 3 t-shirts. So I haven't come up with the rules yet. Rules. How to enter, I guess, is a better way to put it. So make sure you check for that in the next video. I'll have that all figured out by then, and you guys can jump in on that. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. What do you think of that big snowblower, buddy? Whoa! Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, keep all your wiggly bits out of there. We're not supposed to be touching any of that stuff.